Hi guys, and welcome back in this new video where I'm gonna show you the bags that I have to sell. These bags come from consignment, so it means that they are coming from you. I'm very excited because these adventures started thanks to you and thanks to this amazing YouTube channel. On Sundays, I share vlogs, I share how to authenticate a bag, how to spot a fake bag. And in this Wednesday's video, I'm showing the bags that I have to sell, bags to buy. I sell my luxury bags. Anyway, let's start with this first orange box. So you know what it is inside. Well, you probably guessed, kind of. So I have the dust bag of the strap. I have the dust bag of the bag. Let's unbox together. I'm happy to present you the Eveline from Hermes. This is 29. It's as new, like it was very little used. My client also bought for this bag a bag organizer in order to protect it and to keep the shape of the bag. So it will come with it. But this is palladium silver hardware. Condition is excellent. So I have boxed this bag. I can probably ask my client. I think I have a copy of the invoice actually per email. The condition of the strap also is excellent. This is adjustable. And let me give you the price in euro, 3,290 euro. The USD price depends on the change at the time we speak. So you have the USD price on the website. You can pay in USD if you prefer, and customs and taxes will be included. Because I know you guys in the US, it's excluded each time, but everything is included in our price. You don't have to pay custom, you don't have to pay taxes, everything is already set. Next, I want to show you this beautiful Chanel double classic flap. This one is a vintage, it's gold plated. The leather is so soft, I love it. You can wear it on the shoulder, or you could also eventually wear it as a crossbody bag. This is such a fancy one. This is a real classic of the classic. You must get it. This is a made in France because you also have some different ones. You have a little marks here, but otherwise excellent condition also in the corners. This one is beautiful, gold plated for the chains. Beautiful condition also on the inside. This one, I do have the card and the authentication hologram inside. Inside is perfect. You will have the entreprise certificate offered. Every bag that I'm selling have an entreprise certificate, except for Hermes bags that are from 2024 and 2025, because entreprise does not certify them yet. But you will also get the entreprise certificate for free for every bag more than 1,500 euro. And the price for this one is 4,230 euro, which is a great price for the condition of the bag. Next one, and I want to present you a Celine bag this time. This is a vintage. This is a vintage version of the Triomphe. You have the calèche, the corniche, on the front. This is so cute. This is a bag that I have in black full leather. This one is canvas and leather, but brown. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And this close to keep it for me, actually. You have the hardware here that is in very good condition for vintage. You have trace of wear on the leather. It has lived a little bit, but completely natural. No trace of rubbing in any sort. The strap is in very good condition and adjustable. This is a crossbody bag. Let me show you how it looks like. It's beautiful. What do you think about this bag? Like, so far, let me know. I don't get lots of comments on this YouTube channel. I do get lots of spams these days on my YouTube channel, and everyone is getting them. It's so annoying. I'm trying to block them, but it's so hard. Like, I have a video where I have like 1,650 comments of like nonsense. And I'm like, dude, I cannot delete everything because I cannot bulk delete it. So it's so annoying. So I decided to delete like the possibility to post a comment. I hope it will delete every comment in the end. But this is so annoying. I don't know why we're getting this, but lots of my companions that does YouTube also have the same. But they are deleting like more and more every day. I can't do it every day. So annoying. So the price for this one is 590 euro. Then let's do this beautiful Lady Dior medium size. This is a red pinkish, I would say. Like on the screen, it looks more bright, but it's like, yeah, between a red pink. Silver hardware, the hardware was used a little bit. It's not brand new. You have a strap. The condition of the bag is actually very, very good. You have a full little fit to protect the bag. Also, the corners are great. Here a little bit like used, but very, very minor. Inside you have the zipper. This is like the vintage. Well, it's not, it is considered as a vintage now, I would say. Beautiful inside. Well, mid-vintage, almost, because it's 2012, I think. Yeah, 2012, so it's not yet a vintage. Well, though, 15 years ago, well, almost, as considered. Price is 2,190 euro. My voice, I have an issue with my voice. Maybe you can tell or not. I'm quite bright. I don't know if it's quite normal or not. Let me check. Okay, now it looks better, I think. Yeah, way better. Sorry for the little shade, sorry for the color of the screen. So my voice is getting better, but it's not perfect. I have tons of bags to show you today, so let's be quicker. Okay, next I do have this beautiful Speedy size 30. This was changed. It's beautiful, like as new. Condition is great. The canvas is perfect. We can see that it has some marks of wear. It's not a brand new one. It's a vintage baby, but still in very good condition. Price for this one is 610 euro. Let me show you, well, trying to show you the inside. It's in good condition. You have like a little stain inside, but otherwise still in great condition. Year of the bag, 1994. It's great. I have another candy for you. Brand new, brand new. I have the paper at the store. I have a box. You know what's inside with the size of a box, guys. Come on, come on. And let me present you. I have the dust bag, everything. A mini Evelyn. Color is biscuit. We love it. Beautiful biscuit, gold hardware. And let me show you the strap that is here, brand new with the stickers. Voila, voila. So I do have the protection sticker on the strap. That's why I cannot add it, because it's brand new. Price is 2,790 euro. Great, great price for this little baby, brand new. I love the smell of the leather at Hermes, quite insane. Let me put the bag away, and yeah, no, it's so beautiful. Look at the leather. I love it. Next, we have a Saint Laurent. First time I have this little baby. This is a Saint Laurent Kate bag where you need to wear it on the shoulder. Let me show you from closer the details. This is yellow patent leather, YSL, excellent condition as new, I must say. As new, like very, very good with the papers, with stickers, and the beautiful price of, let me check, 619 euro. Very cheap. Then I have two little accessories that we love. The first one is a little wallet from Dior, grand blue leather, dark blue. Very good. You can attach it to a bag or whatever, because you can open it here. This is like a musketon. I don't know if we say like this. Inside is in very good condition. Price for this little one, 290 euro. And I have another one with a dust bag that is a card holder that kind of goes with it. This is a classic normal leather with a little Dior charms, champagne hardware. Beautiful condition for this one as well. And this is a card holder where you can fit so many things. Excellent condition, and the price is 350 euro. So you could actually buy the two of them to mix and match. It's quite cute. Next, beautiful chocolate bar from Chanel. I'm so excited. I've been looking for this one for years. Oh la la, I'm very excited. This is a beautiful one, black leather. It was retinted in black. It was black originally. Hardware is gold, brushed gold, I would say. Excellent condition on the outside. Inside also, guys. I do have also the dust bag of the brand. So I do also have the dust bag, the card, hologram, everything is here. Let me show you, but the inside is beautiful. Here it's a protection. Inside, beautiful condition. And the price is 1,999 euro. I'm telling you it's euro, but on the website you can buy in USD and everything will be included, custom taxes, everything. Okay, now a little vintage, beautiful Speedy 25, blue epi leather. Actually, price 490 euro. Excellent, excellent. You have the leather parts here. The blue epi leather is kind of dirty at some point, at some space. Little folds here, and up corners are a little bit rubbed. This is just a color, so it's very easy to redo it. I would say, and the price is insane. Inside is good, and this is a 1992 babe. So the bag has 33 years old. Insane. Okay, new wallet from Louis Vuitton. I have the box, no dust bag. This is this one. Beautiful operation button is a little bit like with micro scratches on it. Otherwise, a very good condition. You have here little rubbing, but this is a classic. And the price 380 euro, which is quite good. Voila. Okay, my friends, next we have this beautiful Celine bucket bag. Easy to wear up here. Beautiful. You can change the size of the strap, but you cannot wear it as a crossbody. It's not made for. Otherwise, very good condition. Corners are a bit rubbed, quite usual on these bags. Completely normal, but the base is in like canvas, so it's cool. The leather parts are amazing. You have a little pouch that is also in amazing condition, and inside also is very good, as you can tell. You have every photo and description on the website. 459 euro. I love it. Very classic. Another Chanel for my girly that loves Chanel. This is a dark navy blue leather, lambskin leather, gold plate. This is not the timeless classic, but it is also a classic. It's a single flap that you can wear as a crossbody bag, so it's quite fancy. And it's changed, it's different. Corners are like a bit rubbed on this one. This is not a brand new one. I don't know if you're gonna see every details, but okay, I'm just trying to show you. You have some little trace of wear. It's a vintage that is from back in the 80s. So it's not a brand new one. Condition inside is actually very good. You have the hologram. It's beautiful. Voila. And the price, 2,495 euro. I have this beautiful pouch from Celine as well. Excellent condition. I love it because we can open it like a doctor pouch. And the price is 190 euro. Excellent. And now look at this. I have a Gucci bag, brand new. Okay. Ta-da! This is a Gucci jacket in beige, and do have the strap to wear it as a crossbody in fabric. Super fancy. And I also do have the strap adjuster if you want to wear it as a crossbody with this strap. So it's quite chic, quite fancy. You can remove the other strap here. It's a brand new one, 1,680 euro. Knowing that in store, it's mostly around 2,800 euro. So this is quite nice to have the opportunity to have these type of bags for this price. This is just so cool. Voila. That was all for the video of the day. I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being around. Consider subscribing if you like this type of video, if you like luxury designer bags. Don't hesitate to comment, to say hi, to leave me a little love emoji, to let me know which bag you prefer. And I will see you soon in another video. Bye bye.